Hello everyone, welcome to Queen Sanaz channel. Let's start our new lesson. Lesson 30. Vocabulary. 1. Nourish, feed. 2. Harsh, severe. 3. Quantity, amount. 4. Tragedy, disaster. 5. Pedestrian, walker. 6. Glance, look. 7. Budget, plan. 8. Nimble, quick. 9. Manipulate, control. 10. Reckless, careless. 11. Horrid, terrible. 12. Rave, praise. Lesson 31. Economy, finance. Lubricate, oil. Genius, talent. Cosmos, universe. Mortal, human. Potential, possible. Idle, lazy. Pursue, follow. Expose, reveal. Legend, a story. Ponder, think. Resign, quit. Lesson 32. Drastic, extreme. Wharf, dock. Amend, correct. Blot, vote. Candidate, applicant. Prejudice, bias. Shrink, reduce. Optimize, improve. Persist, continue. Venture, risk. Adequate, enough. Resolve, solve. Reading. The brave candidate. Emma was a candidate for an important job. Before the interview, she made a careful budget to manage her money because the country's economy was not very strong. She believed that every person has great potential if they persist and never give up. Every morning, she walked like a pedestrian through the city and took a quick glance at the beautiful river near the wharf. She loved to ponder her future while watching the boats. Some people tried to manipulate her and told her that she could resign before even trying. Others had prejudice against her because she was young. Their harsh words were horrid, but Emma stayed nimble and confident. She decided to pursue her dream with courage. She read books written by a genius, learned about the cosmos, and believed that every mortal can achieve success through hard work. One day, She noticed a mistake in her application and quickly amended it. She wanted to optimize every detail. During the election for the committee, she cast her ballot and encouraged everyone to vote fairly. Although there was a family tragedy, Emma did not become idle. She knew that success requires effort. She continued to nourish her mind with knowledge and refused to make any reckless decisions. Finally, the manager exposed the interview results. Emma was chosen because she had the right skills, an adequate amount of experience, and the determination to resolve difficult problems. Everyone began to rave about her excellent performance. Emma smiled and realized that real success comes to those who never stop learning, never stop improving, and never stop believing in themselves. Reading 2. David's Big Adventure. David was a young teacher who wanted to improve his life. Although his salary was not high, he made a monthly budget and used a small quantity of money to buy English books. He believed that reading could nourish his mind. Every evening, David walked as a pedestrian near the old wharf. He would glance at the sea and ponder his future. He dreamed of writing a book that could help thousands of students. Many people told him that his dream was impossible. Their harsh comments were horrid, and some even tried to manipulate him into giving up. However, David was never idle. He continued to pursue his goal with nimble thinking and hard work. One day, he met a famous genius who encouraged him. The scientist talked about the cosmos and reminded David that every mortal has great potential if they never stop learning. Later, David became a candidate for an international teaching program. Before the final decision, he amended his application to optimize it. He also cast his ballot in a local election because he believed every vote matters. Some people still showed prejudice toward him, but he chose to persist instead of becoming reckless or deciding to resign. Even after a family tragedy, he stayed strong and tried to resolve every problem calmly. At the end of the year, the organization exposed the results. David had won the scholarship. His friends raved about his success, and everyone agreed that an adequate education, patience, and determination can change a person's life forever. Reading 2. David's Big Adventure. David was a young teacher who wanted to improve his life. Although his salary was not high, he made a monthly budget and used a small quantity of money to buy English books. He believed that reading could nourish his mind. Every evening, David walked as a pedestrian near the old wharf. He would glance at the sea and ponder his future. He dreamed of writing a book that could help thousands of students. Many people told him that his dream was impossible. Their harsh comments were horrid, and some even tried to manipulate him into giving up. However, David was never idle. He continued to pursue his goal with nimble thinking and hard work. One day, he met a famous genius who encouraged him. The scientist talked about the cosmos and reminded David that every mortal has great potential if they never stop learning. Later, David became a candidate for an international teaching program. Before the final decision, he amended his application to optimize it. He also cast his ballot in. Thank you for watching Queen Sanaz videos. Goodbye.